new way to study that's not alone in your room? Are you ready to shake things up? The more variety in your study routine, the better. And this one's a classic but important trick that'll help break things up a bit. Sometimes studying alone is great. Other times it is a long descent into who knows what. But no matter what, it's useful to change things up while you can and see if anyone else maybe learned something that you missed. It's always a good idea to create a study group. Even if you're a total loner, like me, it's never a bad idea to create a study group. You can quiz each other, discuss what you understand, and help each other through any rough patches. When motivation is at an all-time low, sometimes a group is just what you need to convince yourself to open your books. Don't 100% rely on this group though. It should be an aspect of your study routine and not the whole thing. You'll all learn at different speeds, so it will never be the absolute perfect solution for you personally. If you're not able to meet up in person, don't forget that virtual study groups work as well. And the people on the other end don't even have to be in your course. You can give them your notes and they can quiz you off of them. And if you can explain things in a way that they can understand, then you know that you have a pretty good handle on the material. For more study tips and tricks, check out this playlist. It has ideas for things like note-taking and memorization and even what to do the night before your test. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you never miss another video. I will see you soon.